Hi everybody, Jamie True here, Head of Business Development at Simpled, and welcome back to In the Spotlight. We have a brand new product that I'm extremely excited to show to you today, which is our MF motorized cylinder. Now, as always, we're going to be covering the 5 most important questions that people have when looking to purchase one of our products, which is the benefits of the product, the unlocking methods, the compatibility of the product, the cases of use, and the compatible accessories. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Jumping into the benefits of this smart lock, as you can see on the outside, there doesn't look like to be much there. That's because everything's on the inside. Now this is an amazing benefit for those who have a beautiful Victorian door, for example, and want to use a smart lock without changing the aesthetic of their property, or perhaps you have regulations on your property on what can be done to your door externally. Well, this won't break any of those regulations because externally it will just look like a key barrel, and internally is where you have all of the mechanics of the smart lock. It directly fits over a standard Euro cylinder mechanism. We actually include the barrel that you will need. This is fully adjustable. We will talk more about this later. But if you've got a standard Euro cylinder, which if you don't know what that is just a key with a deadbolt. They're very, very common in the country. If you have one of these, this should just be a simple take out the existing barrel, swap it over, and what's amazing about that is if ever you need to move, you can put the original barrel back in and it will look like nothing ever happened. It's also automatically locking. Now this is a real benefit for those who perhaps are running a commercial Airbnb and they want to make sure that their guests have as little input as possible to the security of the property. This means that when they shut the door, they don't need to do anything and it will automatically throw the deadbolt, keeping the property at the level of security that you need it without any input from themselves. This comes with a couple of accessories which we'll cover a little bit later, but the waterproof wireless keypad fingerprint remote is really, really cool, which I'm going to show you in a little bit. It also comes with a Wi-Fi bridge. Now, it's worth noting that whilst it currently comes with an external Wi-Fi bridge, by the time you watch this video, as with always with Simpled, we're trying to go above and beyond. We're actually building a Wi-Fi bridge directly into this lock, which means you'll no longer need the external Wi-Fi bridge at all. On average, the battery life on this is amazing, given the fact that it's a motorized, automated smart lock. On average, it will last about 12 months. Of course, as always, it will give you the warnings on the app when the batteries are running low. And if for some reason you allow the batteries to run out, you can always use the mechanical key, as with all of our other locks, to get through the door and change the batteries. Jumping straight over to the unlocking methods of our motorized cylinder. This is very similar to the rest of our products, being that you can unlock this with fingerprints, key codes, the wireless accessories such as the Bluetooth remote, the fobs, be that key ring or sticky phone tag, the app, your Apple Watch, and of course, as with all of our locks, they come with the traditional mechanical backup key. Onto the compatibility of the product itself. Now, we've already touched a little bit on this, being the fact that this is an extremely compatible product. If you have a standard Euro cylinder mechanism, this will fit over it. The other question that most people ask in terms of compatibility is door thickness. The barrel that we include with this lock has completely adjustable measurements to allow you to go up to a thickness of 125 millimeters as standard. Onto the compatible accessories, and I have something very exciting to show you on this one. Included with the lock, we covered very, very briefly earlier, is the new waterproof wireless keypad remote. So this has got the features of a card reader, which will pick up the fobs, again, both keyring and sticky phone tag. It has the digital keypad and of course the fingerprint reader, which will automatically unlock the mechanism, and then the auto lock will lock it back up. Of course, with the standard products that we have in terms of accessories, they will all still work with this, be that the Bluetooth remote controller, be that the, like I said, the sticky phone tag fobs or the keyring fobs. The Wi-Fi bridge, which is also included in this lock, and as discussed earlier, we are building into the lock itself. So in the future, you won't even need that external, the very near future, I should say, you won't even need that external Wi-Fi bridge to make this work. And of course, the door sensor, which will allow you to see when the door has been fully closed or opened. And what's even cooler about the door sensor with this product is you can set it so that the lock will only throw the deadbolt once the door sensor has registered the door is closed. That's an absolute game changer. So onto the cases of use. Now, obviously, during the benefits of this smart lock section, we covered the key cases of use in my mind for why you would choose this lock over perhaps some of our other range. And that would be those who don't want to make any alterations to the external look of their door, be that out of preference or regulation for the area. Perhaps those who are tenants that want a smart lock that's completely removable and completely replaceable to the way it was, if they have a rental agreement that says they can't make any alterations to the door. This is a way that they can have a smart lock without breaking those rules. And also those who want the peace of mind to know that this lock is going to automatically throw the deadbolt on the mechanism without any interference from a third party, be that a guest, a friend, a child, whatever the situation may be. So there we have it. That was in the spotlight for our brand new MF motorized cylinder. I hope this answered any questions that you might have, but of course, if anything else comes to mind that I didn't cover in this video, please reach out to me on the details below, and I'd be more than happy to help you choose the right smart lock for you and your property. Thank you very much.